The IDEANet project, a pioneering collaboration between the University of Colombo, Sri Lanka's Ministry of Health, and Germany's Robert Koch Institute, strengthens diagnostic capacity and One Health surveillance to prepare Sri Lanka for emerging infectious disease threats. IDEANet's impact is driven by groundbreaking doctoral research addressing critical infectious disease challenges in Sri Lanka. Dr. Therese Muzonayak. Therese identified several viruses for the first time in Sri Lankan bats, including coronaviruses and paramyxoviruses, characterizing them through phylogenetic analysis. Her work concluded that spillover risk to humans was evaluated as low based on the data. Dr. Tejani Pereira. Tejani explored Sri Lankan bats as reservoirs for viruses and bacteria associated with human encephalitis using a One Health approach. Dr. Sahan Sirivardhana. Sahan examined viral shedding dynamics in fruit bats across Sri Lanka using next-generation sequencing. His research revealed 17 previously uncharacterized viruses, including Sri Lanka's first detection of Nipah virus and several novel henipaviruses and coronaviruses. Sarani Sepalagi. Sarani investigates respiratory viruses in migratory waterbirds visiting Sri Lanka's wetlands. Her work identified diverse viral pathogens, including a novel avian cyadenovirus, the first reported in Sri Lankan wild birds. Hansi Gandheva. Hansi investigates the virome of Aedes mosquitoes, key vectors of dengue and chikungunya, analyzing links between mosquito viromes and disease prevalence to guide public health strategies. Anne Catherine Desch. Anne Catherine studies zoonotic viruses in wildlife, including sampling elephants at 3 locations across Sri Lanka, using both direct and indirect detection methods. Chamara Amarasinghe. Chamara studies the movement, ecology, and landscape preferences of fruit bats using GPS tracking and genetic analysis. His work maps how bat ecology intersects with human environments, identifying key hotspots of zoonotic risk. Vitusha Arampamurthy. Vitusha explores rodent-borne viruses in Sri Lanka with a special focus on pox viruses, contributing to understanding zoonotic risks at the human-animal interface. Upeksha Vanigaratna. Upeksha evaluates the combined effects of multiple viral and host factors on endothelial dysfunction and vascular permeability that contribute to plasma leakage in dengue infections. Abira Satkunathan. Abira focuses on genomic surveillance of Mycobacterium tuberculosis and non-tuberculous mycobacteria, developing molecular assays that provide rapid, accurate diagnostic tools for clinicians. Led by Principal Investigator Professor Inoka Pereira in Sri Lanka and Professor Andreas Nech in Germany, IDEAnet has produced groundbreaking publications and international collaborations. Discoveries such as first detection of Nipah virus in Sri Lankan fruit bats demonstrate the network's contribution to global pathogen surveillance. Through training, research, and collaboration, IDEAnet safeguards communities by identifying tomorrow's pathogens today. IDEAnet, strengthening One Health, strengthening Sri Lanka.